how to fix Minecraft crash problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just open settings and then go to apps, then go to Xbox game bar, click advanced options. Now once you're here, just click repair and then terminate. Just wait for it and then click terminate. And once you're here, close settings and then right click here, go to task manager, then go to startup. Now all you need to do here, just close all applications that you don't want to start when you start up your PC, like Steam or any new one. Just right click on it and disable it, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it. After that, just restart your PC, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.